I got some lashes from, she's not my cousin, but I call her my cousin because I just don't know what else to call her. She was my mom's co-worker, but she's like a few years older than me, so she's like very much like cousin vibes, like my mom's little niece vibes, but she's not related to me. But either way it goes, she makes lashes. Like that's what I always get like my hair from. Like she always has something to do with like the beauty world, and she is starting a lash collection. So she sent my mom and I some stuff, and I decided that I wanted to unbox it on my channel because I mean, if you know then you know, and if you don't know now you know that this girl loves lashes, which is why I don't have on any lashes now, so that you know I can decide which ones I'm gonna wear after we, you know, get into the unboxing. So I just did a little base to my face off some viral, you know, I don't want to call it TikTok, but we'll just say like viral makeup videos. So make sure you check that out. But without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Just off rip, she sent like 4 different items. Guess that's what we'll call them. And just off rip, like this is the packaging that they came out of, but this is just like for us. I don't know if that's the packaging that she's gonna use, but if you do order them, they will have this packaging. I do like that she has these little organza bags, and then shoot, we gonna box them, so let's get into it, y'all. So in the organza bag is also a spoolie, which is great, so that way you can always like brush your eyelashes, make sure they're in place wherever you are. And I like organza bags because like you put your little spoolie in them, you put your lip gloss in them. I put jewelry in these. I'm a big fan of organza bags, so that was great for me. And then this is the actual packaging that the lashes are in, and it does say Live Laugh Lash Naturally Stripped by Mo. And it has this cute little picture, you know. This is very much I don't want to call it hippie vibes. It reminds me of like boho Chanel. So it's like you get the bow, but then it's like a Chanel type bow, but it's like very indie. I like that too. So oh, it's more than 1 pair of lashes in here. Wow, it's 3 different lashes in here. And yo, these are the smallest eyelash trays I've ever seen. Like this, hold on, cause I gotta get all the lashes. I'm just like, this is small. Okay, so here are my MAC eyelashes that are like my everyday eyelashes. Yeah, look, this is even smaller than a MAC lash tray. And then these are my like another pair of go-tos that I wear. And yeah, these are so much smaller. I love that. I love that they're small. I've never seen a tray that's small before, so I love that already. Just off rip. But yo, it's 3 different lash styles in here. This is crazy how she can get 3 pairs of lashes. Oh my gosh. Okay, so out of this, the first package, I have these 3 lash styles. So the first one will more so be like an everyday lash for me. The second one is I want to be cute on film, and then this one is more so like I'm going out being cute. It is what it is. I'm loving these. All of these I love. Oh my god. And especially these like are so fluffy. I'm a big fan of fluffy lashes. Like these are, oh my god, these are so cute, girl. Okay, because I just want to see how the band is, because I'm just like, if this is like a flexible band, it's not too hard, like, oh my gosh. Okay, so yeah, like I said, this will be like an everyday lash for me, and this is why I don't have on lashes, because yeah, I'm about to try these mugs on real quick, because who's you playing with, bro? These is cute. Okay. This is not, yeah, because these look like my MAC, because my MAC lashes are my everyday lashes, and these are not too far off from my everyday lash. Oh, like McDonald's, I'm loving it. This is crazy. Okay, and this side is shorter, so I'm gonna put this on this eye. Yup, very much everyday vibe. You're kidding. Oh my god, I love these. See, I don't even have a license, but this is like just so cute. And it's just sitting there like, girl, you did that. And the band is, oh my god, this is the best band. Oh my god, it's so flexible. Like, ugh. And then my fingers are probably in the way, but baby, stiff wear. Stiff wear. Now this band, what? Cause see, look, it's even holding the shape because of where. Girl! Okay, so now I gotta see what the other ones look like because, girl. Okay. I'm gonna be like, come on. So yeah, spoolie, 2 lashes in this one. Okay. I love these two. Oh my gosh. These would definitely be like, these are, if you don't want like the fluffy, overly dramatic lashes, these are going to be great for my mom. My mom's going to love these. These are like dramatic lashes for my mom because she still likes the standard. She doesn't like fluffy lashes. She likes the whole like one-dimensional lash. But these kind of have like a little bit of home to them, so these will be everyday for me but dramatic for my mom. So yes. Okay, 2 down, 2 to go. And we got 2 more. So these look like, no, these are the same as the ones that I just pulled out, if I'm not mistaken. No, they're not. That's crazy. So these are, oh, same vibe as the ones that I just showed. Very much a simple, not too dramatic. It can be everyday if you're a dramatic lash wearer, or if you're someone that wears simple lashes, these could be your dramatic lashes. So hello, yes. And last but not least, we got 3 more lashes. Okay, so, oh my god, I love all of these. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these, they are still the 1D, but they have this fluffiness to them that is perfect for me. Like, these would be something that I wear like on an everyday basis, and these would be like, I'm taking pictures, yeah, I'm gonna be on film, and then these would be like, I'm going out. Like, this is crazy. She has so many great lashes. Like, they are versatile. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm about to put the ones that I tried on back on, just because I like how they have this like wispiness to them, and I don't want to keep them on long, and I like how they just kind of like sat there the first time, so I'm about to put them both on. See what we got cracking, honey. Okay, so they're beautiful. So once she has everything all good to go, once we iron out the kinks, I'm definitely gonna let you guys know where you can get the lashes, because I mean, come on, like especially within, you know, the black community, we're gonna support each other. So build up the black economy, build up the black beauty girls. And if you made it to the end of this video, stay tuned in by subscribing. Shout out to you. I'll holler at y'all later. Alright, I guess I'll turn the fan off. I guess I will push through the hot flashes. So let's get into it. Yeah. Alright, so packagings of, well, not 4 different packagings, but 4 different she said 4 different 4 oh my god, like, I'm loving these. Okay. Oh my gosh. Let's see what we got. Okay. Woo. Yes, 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 yes. Naturally strip. I'm all honey. Oh, okay. Well, oh my gosh, they are literally naturally stripped, and okay. Well, I'm gonna have to take this part of the band off. So, oh my god, I cannot believe I just did that. I was trying to take it off, and I pulled up like the first layer that holds it down. Freak. And that doesn't say anything about her lashes because I've done that to my own lashes too. And I'm about to do the same thing that I do when I do that. Oh, okay. This one is having a really hard time coming off. I done messed the whole lash up. Lord, oh my god. These are really naturally stripped lashes. This is crazy. Okay, maybe I should pull this way. I done messed them up. Dang it. Who does that? Me. Yeah, I done messed them up. Shout out to you if you made it to the end of this video. Stay tuned in by subscribing. I'm saying you're trying to fix it. Okay, hold on, cause your girl is making a mess. I'm about to. It's on enough for me to. Oh God, no, it's not, girl. What the? Okay. Dang, this one is like sitting perfectly. Like you can see the exit designs in it. This one, I literally took, girl, basically all the hairs off of it because it's literally naturally stripped. Like these are not no processed lashes. I really love this one. I'm so mad I messed up this lash, but it's okay because I'm gonna have to send me somewhere because I do like these. And yeah,